My name, you can call me 017.
Not call as phone number.
My agent.
No, your agent, your age.
Oh, my age also 2020.
2020.
2024.
That's yours.
Oh, years.
Yeah.
Oh,
Your age, not the year.
Oh,
That was last year. What do you work?
My work is only lah. Only work. Kerja seorang.
I mean, I know you work alone.
Right?
Are you that lonely?
Oh,
But
I'm business. What?
in what category are you working as?
What?
Barista, content creator, or I don't know.
I'm
Being a
kitchen.
kitchen. Do we even
right
have
now.
kitchen?
Yeah, kitchen right now. Shut up, you.
That's good. That's good. We are multiplying.
Yeah. 2020
My work, barista.
homework.
No,
Not
homework.
hope. It's not homework. Not homework.
Oh,
Homework like school.
Now part time.
yeah.
I thought you were full time.
Not. I'm part time.
Part time.
Yeah.
As
As a kitchen.
Oh, kitchen is part time.
Yeah, at kitchen part time. Student full time.
So your name is Kitchen.
Not.
No,
Not
wait.
lah.
How long have you worked here in Kopi Dua Darjat?
30 years old.
30 years old.
Yeah.
You part time.
Huh?
You working
You-
long.
Yes.
30 years old is your age.
Oh.
Not your age. How long have you worked here in
Oh.
Kopi Dua Darjat? Since you work in
I
kitchen.
don't understand. But you say.
I'm saying slowly.
Huh?
How long
Huh?
have you worked
Okay.
in the kitchen?
I don't know. My work.
1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 1 year.
Oh. 3 months.
Yes.
Maybe I'm working.
My bank is bang.
Maybe.
I'm working in Dua Darjat. Long
time no see.
no, long
Not long time no see.
long